Here is example 2 from our hyperbolas lesson. Now I've got some bigger numbers down here, so for my graph I went ahead and just scaled it by 2s. I don't know how, you probably can't see those very well, but that's the numbers on there just to kind of guide me to try to make my graph somewhat accurate. So very similar to that last problem that we did. The only difference is the center now is not 0, 0, so no problem. Let's identify the center. It's already in standard form for us, so that's pretty nice. So it's -3, 2. So -3, 2. I'm going to go put that on my graph. Got to be careful here with my scale I created. So -3, 2 is going to be about right there. Now the x part is squared. That came first. Well, they're both squared. Sorry, the x part came first, rather. And so that means it's opening in the x direction. So it's opening to the right, it's opening to the left. And so I'm going to count over horizontally 12 units. That's going to be my vertices. So let's do that. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Be right there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Actually be just off my graph right there. So then it's opening again in those horizontal directions. Let me label those points here. So if I'm at -3 and I go 12 to the right, I would be at 9, 2. And if I'm at -3 and I go 12 to the left, I would be at -15, 2. So there's my vertices. Now let's draw our box. Remember, that's going to help us with our asymptotes, just guide our sketch. So I'm going to go up 5, down 5. So 2, 4, so it'll be about right there. And 2, 4, 5. I only went 4 up. Let me go up one more. Okay. And again, just lightly, I'm going to sketch my box. That just guides me to help me draw in my asymptotes to guide my sketch. And I'm going to sketch these things through. I normally use a straight edge or something is nice to help me. I'm just kind of doing this quick to illustrate. So there's my asymptotes. Again, it's opening in the x direction. So now I come and sketch those in. Just kind of hug the asymptotes, kiss the vertex there, and then same thing on the other side, and sketch it in. So again, there's my center and vertices. Quick little sketch, and there is a hyperbola.